Hi VESL students, this is your instructor, Diana Vera Alba, and I'm going to go over the directions for the Student Job Career Research Project. What you will be doing is students will use their job-seeking skills to research 3 jobs on the Bureau of Labor Statistics Occupational Outlook Handbook website. And you're going to report your findings in your Padlet. Once you go to the website, it will look like this. You will see the title at the top, Bureau of Labor Statistics, and a subtitle, Occupational Outlook Handbook. Notice that the occupational groups are in categories on the left-hand side, and they are in alphabetical order. There's also a featured occupation in the middle of the page, and this changes several times throughout the day. What you're going to do is you're going to click on one of the occupational groups that you are interested in. I want you to research 3 careers and write about them in Padlet. Another interesting area on this website are the occupations that you can browse at the bottom, just for your interest. So you can search by highest paying jobs, fastest growing jobs, and these are projected, and the most new jobs. So all of these categories are important in your job search. So now let's look at the website, and the website is www.bls.gov/OOH/. So if I click here, it will take me straight into the website. And again, here is my subtitle. At the top, I see the Bureau of Labor Statistics, the occupational groups, and the featured occupation here. Okay, but I want to go into arts and design. So if I want to go into arts and design, I hover my mouse over the title of the occupational group and I click one time. Okay, and then you will see a list of occupations. So again, they are in alphabetical order, and I see the name of the occupation, a small summary about the occupation, the entry-level education, and the median pay as of 2017. Okay, so let's say I'm interested in art directors. So I put my mouse over the title, Art Directors, and I click one time. And it takes me to a page where I have a very nice summary graph. And these are quick facts about this occupation. So I see the 2017 median pay, and it gives me the average salary per year and the average pay per hour. Then there is the typical entry-level education, and for this occupation, they require a bachelor's degree, work experience in a related occupation, so it doesn't have to be exactly this occupation, but an occupation or a job that is related to the art director, and I need 5 years or more experience. On the job training, none. Numbers of jobs in 2016, there were 90,300 jobs. The job outlook from 2016 to 2026 is 5%, and that's an average. It's as fast as the average. And the employment change for 2016-2017 to 2026 is 4,900 new jobs. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the information here and I'm going to add it to the Padlet. Another thing I want you to notice is some of these, not all, but some of the occupations have a short video, so you can always click on the video to get more information. In addition, if you scroll down, you will see additional information about this career choice, and there's a button here that says what they do, so if you click on that button, it will give you additional information about that. But right now I'm concerned with the information in the summary. So once I find an occupation or a career that I'm interested, I'm going to click on my Padlet, and the Padlet looks like this. And the Padlet heading, now the Padlet is a little bit different for this project. So I have some columns. So in the first column, you're going to write your student name. The second column is the career or job that you chose. The third column is what type of working conditions or working environment does this job have, and what is the median pay. You're going to add the annual salary plus the hourly. The next two are entry-level education required for the position or the occupation, and the job outlook from 2016 to 2026, which is what we will find on the website. So I already have one posted here. Okay, so again, for this Padlet, you're not going to click on the pink circle. You're going to click on each of the columns. So I'm going to click on the first one, and my name, I'm going to type my name. And then I go to the next column, and I'm going to click the plus, and that saved this information. And the career and the job that I chose was art directors. So here's the title. So let me go back to my Padlet. So I'm going to type art directors. The next column is work environment. So I'm going to go back to the website, and work environment is right here. So it's not in the chart, but it is on this page. So it says about 3 in 5 art directors were self-employed in 2026. Others worked for advertising and public relation firms, newspapers and magazine publishers, motion picture and video industries, and specialized design service firms. So I have to summarize this information. I don't need to write a complete sentence, just a summary, because the columns are so small. So I will include can be self-employed or work for advertising, newspaper, motion picture, or video industries. Okay, so that's my summary. So I'm going to go back to the Padlet. And for work environment, I'm just going to include some of them. Self-employed, motion picture, and I'm going to separate these with commas, And then what were the other ones? Motion picture, advertising firms, newspapers, and magazines. So advertising firms, okay. Then I'm going to click on the plus sign, and I'm going to include the median pay. So first I'm going to include the annual salary and then hourly if that's available. So I go back to the website, and the annual salary is $92,500 and the hourly is $44.47. So I'm going to type that. Okay, and my next column is entry-level education. So I'm going to go back, and they said entry-level education is bachelor's degree. So I'm going to type that in my Padlet. And my last column is the job outlook. Job outlook between 2016 and 2026 is 5%, as fast as average. So I'm going to type that in my Padlet. And I'm finished. Well, not quite. I still have one more to do. So far I did art directors, photographers, and I'm going to go back to the website and look for one more career that I want to include. I hope this video was helpful, and I will see you soon in Blackboard. Have a great day.